Hey everybody, my name is Ashley Rush and I'm an independent creative memories advisor located in North Carolina. So it's maybe been a minute or 2 or 5 or months. I don't want to go into too much detail, but due to some health concerns and some family issues, I had to step away from YouTube for a little while. I still continue to work my creative memories business, but focus had to be on my family and my own health, and so I had to take a break. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys who continue to stick with me, who checked in on me, left me messages, left me encouraging notes, and told me how much you guys missed spending Thursday nights with me. So thank you so much. I am going to attempt to break back into my YouTube role, and I'm going to do it slowly at first. I'm not going to guarantee every week, but I definitely will not be doing a huge break like I did before. So this week, I am coming out with the brand new Creative Memories catalog. We're going to go and do a quick tour through the catalog, maybe pointing out different new things, some new tools that we might have missed during my absences, and then I'm going to let you guys tell me what looked good from the catalog, and then I will work with that collection or that tool in my next video. All right, can't wait to hear from you guys. All right, here we have our February 2025 Creative Memories product catalog. We've got a really cute layout on the cover featuring our new Noteworthy collection. I'm just going to open it up and see what we've got. I haven't really looked through this yet, so this is going to be just as much fun for me as it is for you. Right here on the inside cover, if you guys weren't aware, Creative Memories actually lists different scrapbooking events from all over right there on their website, so you can find someone local to you to shop with or to go to events with, and I love being able to find new people to scrapbook with when they find me on the website. So make sure you guys go to the Creative Memories website in order to find an event near you. All right, then we have a table of contents. I'm not going to read through that because I'm trying not to spoil the surprises. Okay, our first big layout, we have another Noteworthy layout. Different tools being used here, different embellishments. I really quite like it. I might try and copy this layout but do something other than birthday. I don't know. That could be a future video. All right. So now we're starting with our photo printing. I love photo printing through Creative Memories. They give you beautiful matte photos. And I just adore the way they come out. They look great in your albums. Let's see, another little landing page. All right, now we're getting to our albums. I love this collection of colors here. It's so warm and rich. Okay, so here are some of our current book cloth cover albums. You'll notice that some of them are labeled with this classic logo. That means that these are colors that we will have year round and year to year. So you can always bet on being able to pick up a ruby, a navy, eggplant, ebony, chocolate, or cobalt album. The rest of our colors are going to come in and out, keep things fresh. So if you see a color you really like, and it's not one of these classic colors, there's no guarantee it's going to stick around, so you might as well snag it while you can. All right, on our next page, oh, I love this. This is showing us the different size albums we have. So obviously we have our 12 by 12. We have our 8 by 8s, and then we have our Happy album, which is a 6.75 by 10. And then underneath it lists different pages that we sell that will work with that album. So that's kind of cool. And then, oh my gosh, this might be one of my favorite things to do on our Creative Memories website. It is making a custom foiled spine. I think I've shown a video in the past on how to do this, but if you guys would like it to be updated, let me know. Right, here's just more of those pages, our Fast to Fab refill pages, we've got our traditional pages, we've got pocket pages, just a little bit of everything. And then we also sneak in our peekaboo pockets here. You guys know how much I love a peekaboo pocket. Oh, here's another fun layout. I can't tell if this is done with a punch, but I think it might be a sticker. Oh no, I think that they, this is like the same sheet of paper and then they cut it in half using like one of the trimmer blades. Ooh, that could be really fun to mess with. That could be a really fun video idea as well. So now we're getting into all of our paper and decorative add-ons. We've got our cardstock colors here. We've been adding cardstock colors to the line. Cool gray, that was one of our more recent add-ons, avocado and tangerine. And we also have beautiful shades of shimmer cardstock, which are so beautiful. I love working with the shimmer. It gives you a little bit of glimmer without having to put actual glitter on your pages. All right, so here's that noteworthy collection that we've been seeing in all of the layouts. This is like your all year long go-to collection. Last year it was This Life. This year it's Noteworthy. So we moved from having the bright primaries to something a little more earth toned. I think it would work with so many things. All right, Springtime Soiree. This is the one that just came out this week. So gorgeous. I'm in love with that purple album. In fact, I think everybody was so in love with that purple album that we've already sold out of the Hyacinth Shimmer Springtime book cloth color. So I believe they have changed this to a different shade of purple. Still looks absolutely gorgeous. But I just love all of the pastels here and all of these little spring features. Right. Birthday Jubilee and Growing Up. We've not quite had a collection like Growing Up before, so that one is really fun. Lots of just like kid themed icons from little and through teenage years. It's just adorable. I can't wait to play with that stuff. And then Birthday Jubilee. Orange is one of my favorite colors, so I love that we get a collection that really brings in those orange colors. National Scrapbook Day. If you guys are not going to a National Scrapbook Day event, you are missing out. I've still got space available at my event, but you can look for one closer to you as well. Then we've got our Vintage Chic. This is a bring back from old company. Sun Soaked. I love being at the beach. I love scuba diving, so this one seems right up my alley. Life at the Lake, and then we have This Life. We talked a little bit about that earlier. Where are all my travel people at? Passport to Adventure and our European scenes. I was able to hit a couple of these places earlier last year. My family went to Paris and we went to Amsterdam as well. So I can't wait to break those out and use them in a layout. Flurry of Fun. This is just our general winter themed collection. And then Summer Break. We've got the antithesis right on the opposite page. Bright and fun and full of heat. And of course we've got School Days. What child doesn't go to school? I mean, we've all been to some sort of schooling. And then we've got these cute little companion compliments that give you extra embellishments to go with your different sport themes and even academic themes. Something Blue and Welcome Baby. I have a feeling that we'll be getting a new baby collection sometime, but you can't, don't quote me on that. I just feel like there's one coming. Simple page kits. Oh my gosh, guys. If you haven't used one of the simple page kits, you have got to try it. It comes with 3 sheets of paper and a sheet of stickers with super simple cutting instructions, and you get great layouts. All of these are going to match the Noteworthy Days collection, and you've got really fun different themes. I adore these kits. They're quick, they're easy, and they always look gorgeous. Kid kits. Oh my gosh. My daughter had a play date recently where we were able to take some fun photos in the morning, print them out while we ate lunch, and then the girls sat down and completed one of these kits, and it is one of my daughter's like favorite possessions right now. It's her pride and joy. So if you are wanting to get crafty with the kids in your life, this has got everything you need except for photos. All right, it's time for the tools. You guys know I love a tool. First of all, we've got our trimmer. I want to say that a new blade came out during my absence. It was the pinking blade, and maybe like the colonial blade. But if you want to see a video of me demonstrating some stuff with a trimmer, or maybe I did a video way back when showing all of the different blades in action. Maybe I could get that updated with our new blades. All right, this was our much anticipated addition to the line, our brand new photo trimmer. Guys, I love this thing. Love it. Might be one of my new favorite tools. So I'll definitely will have to do a video in the future showing all of the awesome goodness with this tool. All right, we've got our different punches here, corner punches, our hole punch, which can be used with one of our recipe templates. All of our border punches. So these are our standalone punches also that create a long border, or in some cases also a frame, not to be confused with our border maker system. So this is when you have to have the whole system and then you buy individual cartridges that are interchangeable to also make long borders with. I've done several border maker videos, but I'm happy to do another one with one of our new BMCs. And of course, we have some of our shape making tools, our circle cutters, our custom cutting system, the recipe templates, which I talked about just a second ago. And then to our everyday tools, we've got 2 types of scissors, lots of different types of adhesives. One of the newer things to the line is they brought max strength crafting tape and made it a permanent part of the line. And then our anti-stick powder tool. So you use this to take the stick away when you are using your stickers. All right, and then of course we have our pens here. We've got dual tip as well as micro tip. And then lots of different storage. So we're starting off with sort of like our layout planning and our photo storage, but our tool storage and our supply storage has really exploded over the last year. You know, I love to try and find different ways to keep things organized. The Power Project folders are still my bread and butter, so I'm very excited to have those continue in the line. All right, and then last but not least, we have our card kits. One big change that I've seen with CM is they've sort of moved away from the large card kits that come 12 cards in a box, and they've moved towards trio card kits mostly, where you get just 3 cards and, you know, much around a more specific theme or around a specific collection, so that you're not quite so overwhelmed with all of your choices. It's something you could sit down and do in, like, you know, 15-20 minutes. All right, guys, I think that takes us to the end of our catalog. On the back, as always, they give us a quick little snippet about what it means to be a part of the CM family. If this is something that interests you, please let me know. I'm always looking to grow my Creative Memories team, and in some cases, it really makes sense, or it doesn't make sense, to not join CM. If you love Creative Memories products and you love to scrapbook, then Creative Memories advisorship is probably for you. All right, so what did you guys think of the new catalog? I'm pretty psyched. I like that they went back down to the smaller size instead of the big large size, but I do miss some of like the big grand ideas that we got in our previous year's catalog. It's a give and take. Did you see something in the catalog that really stood out to you? Was there a certain collection you really liked, or was there a tool you really want to see? I'm going to be checking your comments this coming week, and as I start my next video, I will make sure to include whatever it is that you guys mentioned in this video the most in my next video. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, if you want to get more information about my business and see what I'm doing on the daily, please feel free to follow me on social media. You can find me on facebook.com/scrapwithash. And then if you see anything in this video that you love and have to have, make sure you visit creativememories.com/cm/AshleyRush for all of your shopping needs. And as always, I'm looking for new team members. So if you think that you love everything Creative Memories and you love to share all of your crafty goodness, talk to me about joining my team. I would love to have you. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.